Simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion is a kind of motion that involves a periodic motion, or in simpler terms, a repeated action. Examples of this kind of motion are the motion of a pendulum on a grandfather clock or the vibration of a spring. So the best way to describe simple harmonic motion is through this example. Suppose you have a ball attached to a horizontal spring lying on a table. While the ball is lying there and at rest, it is in a state of equilibrium. But when you move the ball by stretching the spring and then letting it go, the ball will keep moving back and forth. And this back and forth motion caused by the force of the spring is simple harmonic motion. Speaking of the use of springs, notice that not all springs are the same. This means that different springs have different properties.